If you're looking to elevate your in-car audio experience, a reliable 4-channel amplifier is the best way to power crisp mids and highs across all speakers without distortion. With that in mind, let's explore 5 of the best 4-channel amplifiers available this year that deliver smooth, powerful sound while fitting a range of budgets and system designs. Let's start with the Pioneer GM-DX874, a compact and powerful Class D amplifier that has quickly become a favorite among car audio enthusiasts. This amp delivers 100 watts RMS to 4 channels at 4 ohms and up to 150 watts RMS at 2 ohms. It can also be bridged into a 2-channel mode to power 300 watts to each channel. One of the standout features is its clean, distortion-free sound output, even at high volume levels. The compact design makes it ideal for installation under seats or in tight spaces, and the brushed aluminum finish with gold-plated terminals adds a premium touch. With advanced thermal management and high-speed switching circuitry, the GM-DX874 is perfect for anyone looking to build a powerful, space-efficient system. Next up is the Rockford Fosgate R2300-4, a Class D amplifier that balances clarity, reliability, and power in one sleek package. Rated at 50 watts RMS X4 at 4 ohms and 75 watts RMS X4 at 2 ohms, it also offers 150 watts by 2 when bridged. One of the most appreciated features of the R2300-4 is Rockford's CLEAN setup system, which helps you set gains without distortion using onboard LED indicators. This feature is extremely helpful for anyone tuning their system manually without an oscilloscope. The amp is compact enough for discrete mounting, and its Prime Series build quality ensures long-term durability. It's a great option for powering full-range door speakers or a front-rear setup, while keeping the signal tight and distortion-free. Third on the list is the SounDigital EVO4.0 800-watt 4-channel amplifier, a professional-grade unit known for its exceptional efficiency and power-to-size ratio. This amplifier outputs substantial power with a clean signal and low total harmonic distortion, which translates to accurate and smooth playback of vocals and instrument. The EVO 4.0 is designed with advanced circuitry that minimizes heat and energy loss, making it extremely efficient, especially in vehicles with limited power capacity. It's well suited for users who need consistent performance during long drives or heavy usage. With a rugged yet modern design, this amp stands up to the demands of competitive and enthusiast-level audio builds while remaining compact enough for most installs. For those seeking high output at an affordable price, the Recoil DI1200-4 offers incredible value. Rated at 60 watts times 4 RMS at 4 ohms, this Class D amplifier can handle a peak output of up to 2,400 watts, making it more than capable of powering multiple speakers in a complete sound system. The amp features a MOSFET power supply, fully adjustable high and low pass filters, and bridgeable channels, offering versatility for different speaker setups. Despite its high power, the DI1200-4 maintains low distortion levels, delivering clean audio whether you're powering mids, highs, or even mid-bass drivers. It's highly rated by users who want a system that can hit hard without breaking the bank, and the thermal protection and durable housing ensure that it stays reliable in the long run. Finally, we have the DS18EXLP1200-4, a Class A/B amplifier designed for serious audio enthusiasts and competitive setups. With 1,200 watts RMS across 4 channels, this amplifier pushes serious power and is ideal for users who demand volume and clarity at the same time. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a rugged chassis, bass control knob, and adjustable crossovers. This amplifier is not only built for performance, but also designed to look good with LED indicators and a sleek finish. It's suitable for powering component speaker systems or even small subwoofers, thanks to its versatile configuration option. If you're chasing concert-level audio inside your vehicle, the EXLP1200-4 gives you the tools to achieve it with precision and depth.